Let's get you the first reaction coming in from Tejaswi Yadav on the paper leak case and the allegations against him, which the BJP levelled. Remember that the BJP is accused Tejaswi's top aide of being linked to the masterminder of the paper leak case. Tejaswi Yadav, in his reaction, has said that it will not benefit anyone by dragging my name into the case. The government in the state is the BJP JDUs, and so the investigation must be done by them thoroughly. Let's play out for you the first reaction from Tejaswi Yadav.
जहाँ भी बीजेपी शासित राज्य हैं, चाहे बिहार हो, गुजरात हो या हरियाणा हो, इन तीनों जगह जो है पेपर लीक हुआ है। तो हम लोग ही नहीं बल्कि पूरा इंडिया अलायंस जो है इस मुद्दे पर एक साथ है और हम लोग चाहते हैं कि जो नीट का पेपर जो लीक हुआ है इसको रद्द किया जाए अविलंब।
Aditya Vaibhav is joining us live with more details on this. Aditya, first reaction from Tejaswi Yadav. He's putting the onus very clearly on the BJP, saying whether it's the state, the centre or the other states where there's allegedly been a paper leak, the BJP is in power.
Well, exactly, Akshita. As far as former Deputy Chief Minister Tejaswi Yadav is concerned, of course, he means no words as he slammed the BJP for the alleged failure. And notable is the fact that he also demanded that the exams must be scrapped with immediate effect. So this is something that is transpiring from Tejaswi, and it must be mentioned here that this statement comes on a backdrop of the controversy of involvement of one of his accomplices, as was triggered by Deputy Chief Minister Vijay Kumar Sinha. Akshita.
Also, at this point, just a quick follow-up to that, Aditya, is there any comment that's come in from Tejaswi on the allegations against Pritam Kumar? Has he responded on that? Has he given any clarity on that?
Well, exactly, Akshita, as far as the entire scenario is concerned, Pritam is something that has made, or the name of Pritam has made the entire scene a bit more complicated, because this was the first name that came from the political circles, and this was the first allegations that came from the NDA on Mahagathbandhan. Prior to this, Mahagathbandhan was all offensive as far as the alleged leak was concerned, but then after that, things started changing. And now Tejaswi has come up with his own statement demanding the scrapping of NEET 2024. Akshita.
Okay, Aditya, so you've got a reaction coming in right now from Tejaswi Yadav, where he says all of this is an attempt to divert attention from the issue at hand and to divert blame from the BJP. But when asked about also Pritam Kumar, his aide, and his link to the alleged mastermind in this case, there's no clarity really on that, no specific clarification or defense on that issue. Let's play out for you once again exactly what Tejaswi said.
जहाँ भी बीजेपी शासित राज्य हैं, चाहे बिहार हो, गुजरात हो या हरियाणा हो, इन तीनों जगह जो है पेपर लीक हुआ है। तो हम लोग ही नहीं बल्कि पूरा इंडिया अलायंस जो है इस मुद्दे पर एक साथ है और हम लोग चाहते हैं कि जो नीट का पेपर जो लीक हुआ है इसको रद्द किया जाए अविलंब।
So that's the first reaction coming in from Tejaswi Yadav. This has quickly taken a political turn as well, Aditya, with the BJP and the RJD pinning the blame on each other. Tejaswi Yadav's aide today has also been called in for questioning. Perhaps that's why he's also not going into the allegations levelled against Pritam Kumar. Aditya, can you hear me? Don't think he's with us at this point, but the first reaction that's come in right now from Tejaswi Yadav, he's broken his silence on the paper leak charge, and while the BJP levelled allegations against his aide, Tejaswi's only answer so far has been that there's nothing the BJP will get from dragging in my name. It is the BJP that's in power in Bihar, in Gujarat, in Haryana and in the centre. So the onus is on them to crack the whip. And while at this point, there will be a lot of focus on how the government, there's no doubt about it, on how the government has dealt with this issue, the focus will also be on Tejaswi Yadav's aide, who's been called in for questioning right now for allegedly having booked the guest house for the mastermind here, Sikandar Yadav, in the name of Mantriji. And Tejaswi Yadav hasn't really given any comment just yet on exactly the charges faced by Pritam Kumar, by his PA in this particular case. So we'll see whether really Tejaswi chooses to respond to that. So far, he's maintained that all of this is unnecessary politicking and has said that the onus very clearly lies on the BJP, considering they're in power in the state and in the centre. So that's the first reaction that's coming from Tejaswi Yadav on a day that the RJDs also put out pictures of, in fact, the Deputy Chief Minister Samrat Chaudhary with one of the main accused in the paper leak case with Amit Anand. That picture on the extreme right of your screens. So the RJD clearly right now going on the offensive, making it very clear that they will continue to fight it out and fight these allegations.